You ready to, Kimmy?
Yes, I was born. Oh shit, you didn't blink.
No, you got me bleeding too.
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be her. It's gonna be her. I'm bleeding. Bad.
I got the first bleed.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna die. This is it. This is the part. This is the part where.
Did you want to do flame stalker babies?
Yes.
Okay, I killed myself. Right. Get my colors. Okay, I'm ready. Spawning in. Tell me when you're ready.
So, how did you spend your Monday night? Oh, you know.
Baby Fight Club.
Baby Fight Club.
Eat this, baby. Meet the winner.
There's a baby eating my corpse.
Are you...
I'm getting the spawn menu.
Okay. You had to murder yourself.
Oh, fuck. I forgot. I'm a frick. Sorry.
You're like, okay, I'm ready!
You want me to just slay you, Kimmy?
Yeah.
But can't you slay yourself? You go to admin.
That's a lot of
panel and
work.
You do
That's a lot of
/super.
work. That's a lot of work.
You know what I have to do? Type /die.
Yeah, maybe you should give us that down.
Maybe it wasn't my choice.
Maybe your mom. I don't know. How do I slay? There we go.
Oh look, there's Mazikeen.
He's like, hey guys, watch this.
Blah.
Server guys.
Who guys want to see a magic trick?
Okay, I'm here.
Okay,
Spawn.
I am
Crash the
hatching.
server.
Are
Correct.
you an egg?
I'm here.
Okay, I'm hatching.
Parrot is not gonna know it.
Okay.
Alright, start your 60-second prep.
On your mark.
I gotta hang out with the developer today. They were fighting other things as babies.
Mm-hmm.
While we betted on them.
Just got very quiet.
Hey Perry, I mean no. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Okay.
We're murdering.
Ferb, what we're doing today.
Baby Fight Club. That's what happens when... I think this happened the last server hack, didn't it?
Maybe we're the reason they had a server.
They're like, no, I'm not satisfied with these results. Do it
Okay, this
again.
time before, we're gonna walk to the center and do... We gotta do the handshake, gotta do a friendly call, and then walk back.
Oh, right. Uh-oh, why did Len text me?
PvP.
You're PvP.
Ready? Okay, walk to the center. Do a little head nod, and then 3 call. Okay, get back to your corner.
Okay.
Oh no, I already have bleed.
It's like Red Bull all over again.
Oh shit, that's 3 bleed.
I know I have 3 bleed too. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he's dicey. Oh, you got a critical hit! Let me know when you're back in, if you're coming back in.
Yep, I am.
Okay. Kimmy, port to him.
No,
Oh,
I'm going to bed. Bye-bye.
bye.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta lay down. We gotta do the same thing again. Everyone's be like, Parrot crashed the server. I can't do acid spitter because I have a good little baby acid spitter on this one. Someone gave it to me, and I whooped Kimmy's butt with it. You can see my eyeballs through my head,
shit.
look at my mouth.
Sorry, hold on, I'm not in PvP yet.
It's okay, I'll work up the crowd.
Yeah.
My side's on it.
I'm the loud.
20 more seconds.
This white dragon doesn't know it, the white spitter, but he's my coach.
Is he?
Yeah, he doesn't know.
Oh my. I have to put on my background music. Okay.
Okay. Ready to walk into do the friendly?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, you nailed me too, my back is turned. Okay. Ready. Been my title.
Go, Terry, go. Go, Terry, go.
start.
Is it lagging?
No.
Are you getting any damage?
Yeah, I'm bleeding. Can you see my blood on the ground? This fight takes a while. I have 2 bleed now. I have 3.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna lose again. That's not fair, I was winning last time.
You're not.
Yes, I was! You were saying you were going to die!
Oh, I had like 40% left.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, I'm getting close.
Yeah, I know. I'm dead. I'm done. Goodbye.
Wink in my face.
Showing everybody fucking. Is there no challenger who shall face me?
That's good. That's great.
I'm gonna die from bleed.
Where did this lava floor boy come from? I'm numb. Calmed it up.
And that. This baby
I can't ever come on this
You lost.
twice.
I beat Nathan twice too.
I was going to win before the
I was winning.
No, you were not.
I had like
No, the fuck you were
40% health left.
I didn't even have half of it missing. I'm not even kidding.
Good job.
Parrot.
Doesn't matter. Obviously, I crushed the server. Kimilton of Kimmyville.
Oh my god, stop. You were not gonna tell them that, are you? Jimmy. Yes, it is I, Jimmy Kimmel.
We gotta get a spitter.
She's like, nope, I'm out. Bye.
Bye.
They have an announcer.
I almost banned myself.
Nice. Good job.
Oh, noise.
Try.
I must go to these places. They sound very nice. They sound fascinating.
Alright, feel free to summon me.
Oh wait, you have to wait because you'd get be the same size.
I'm here.
Oh, okay, never mind. And almost 43. What? You can't be in the same corner.
We are in the same corner. We're fighting you. This is 2v1.
Start the timer. What's 2v1? Quiet. Okay, we go it again.
Parrot is now the. at that. I'll put everybody up. Everybody fucked up. It's not a...
I'll go around.
I wish I could do.
There we go. Only in your dreams, Kimmy. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, somebody came up. Was like, hey, what's up?
Okay, to the middle for your handshake. You gotta ignore the people.
Oh my god.
Kimmy, to the middle.
Oh, right.
Baby's really confused. Okay, on my mark. That was it, I guess. Go!
Oh.
Alright, I actually pushed that.
Kick it doing what?
Turn correctly.
I am turning correctly.
Turn correctly.
I'm turning like a normal person. What the fuck are you talking about?
It's got you. Why you keep losing?
Maybe I'm just bad. Maybe I'm just gonna walk in a circle and see how that works out.
What are you, me?
Oh my god, I'm gonna die
They're
again.
both red. They're both red.
I'm gonna die. Again. Yep, nope, I'm done. Goodbye.
You gave me 3 stacks of bleed on the first 3 fights.
I'm done. Why am I better on this one?
You're better in the air. Do you want to do an air fight?
I would much rather do an air fight. Horribly. On ground. Parrot, I want to 1v1 you in the air.
No, I suck at that. You have to do.
Everybody wants it. Yep,
Okay.
Yep, fine now.
Alright.
Seriously,
I'll restore
are
your
you
dragon if you die.
scared? Are you scared? Kidding.
No.
Wait. Cyrtac, kill yourself.
That's not nice.
You jumped running in a
What I'm
circle.
doing.
You're gonna. What are you gonna do?
Hello?
Shadow
Amen.
Sail?
Estes.
Vixen, get out of here.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Go to bed, Kimmy.
No.
Yes.
No,
No.
we're doing Baby Fight Club.
You need to go to bed.
We have a cult here. Secret cult of Baby Fight Club.
Of course you do. Oh gosh.
Oh, why can't I type?
What server are you on?
US4.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get on my Flame Stalker.
I can't type. Why is it not letting me type? I can't get into my admin panel.
Is it
You need to go
crashing?
to bed.
I need. Ooh.
I don't think it's crashing. I spawned in fine.
Why is it
Yeah,
not
I'm
letting
fine.
me? What the fuck is going on?
Embrace
I can get
swearing.
admin.
I'm gonna.
Fuck me.
Kimmy!
What?
Language!
Oh, right. I keep forgetting what channel.
I'm kidding, I don't care. As long as Parrot doesn't care, I don't give a damn.
I curse too.
Parrot is like the worst.
I know, but I'm technically supposed to do my job, so
Shh! Don't do your job with us.
don't fucking swear at me then.
Okay, oh, there you go.
You guys want to be elders?
I am already.
Okay,
I
Kimmy,
would
I'll
like
make
to
you
be.
one. Do you have A's?
Of course I do.
Oh, that's gonna make it hard.
Sorry, did you just say do you
Because this is
have
an
AIDS?
E-spawn.
A's.
This is an E-spawn.
Okay, no. That's not something you typically ask.
Maybe those people in front of you will nest you back in.
Where are you guys at? Where's the fighting going on?
Oh, for me, he doesn't want to lose his dragon.
Well, no, 18A is more fun if there's one available.
I mean, I could get a nest going, but
No, it's cool.
No, I'm only asking if there's one currently available.
I don't
Where's the
think there
fighting
is.
at?
That one available.
This is server 4.
I know,
Big
but
Rock.
where in server 4?
Big Rock.
Big rock.
The what?
Big Rock.
Oh, Big Rock. Sorry. I just woke up, so my brain is just non-existent.
Alright, well I guess I will just take a random spawn then for this.
Is that okay? Maybe sad.
I can get it back, it's not a big deal.
Did you murder yourself?
I'm about to.
Be sad. There's Kimmy. Kimmy, ready for your Elder Grow?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
E power, E plasma resist.
I have D power and D plasma resist.
A doesn't exist.
Please tell me you don't have like a B plus in life expectancy.
I have a D.
Okay.
Okay. Get over
Oh,
here.
look at all the acid sweaters.
My life expectancy lower than N.
You have what for life expectancy?
Just gotta go with it. Just gotta go with it. Get over here. Okay. Here they are.
Yeah, I was.
I'm fighting the other
Vixen, that's my favorite skin.
one. Yeah, I have the Broken Nebula.
Okay. You're gonna come over here. Come over here.
Okay.
One on either side, like one there and one there. And look at each other.
We need to turn PvP on first.
Oh yeah, turn PvP on.
Should we go in front of the acid sweater clan?
Well, I'm gonna have you guys like look away from each other and fly out. This seems like a pretty good spot.
I'm getting flashbacks to HC.
Do they have Baby Fight Club?
No, but Gly would just randomly pick two people and be like, okay, you guys are fighting. Get in the air. It's like, oh.
15 seconds.
I'm at 20.
Oh my god, that lineup is just incredible. Look at all the ASD.
I got this on video.
Amazing.
I don't know, you have all three of my defeats on video. Very happy. Now you're gonna, that's gonna, I don't know what this is gonna be.
You got one. Okay, get over here. Oh, are we doing it in front of that? No, you gotta do it over here. Come here. One on either side.
I
You
was
gotta come to
riling up
middle.
the crowd.
Good. Okay, so be about this distance Kimmy is from me. I guess you're walking to the center anyways, so you're friendly. You're friendly.
Oh right, I forgot about that.
Each other.
Okay,
Like,
no,
civilized
face the opposite
people.
ways, and I'll count down and you guys take off. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll actually do it the right way this time.
Hey,
I ain't no flight glitch, that's nice.
Oh shit, I forgot. Ooh, there we go. I had super on. We're good now.
I had to do that.
Cheat, bro.
Shit, I need to turn my tags off. I can't deceive people.
Got really quiet.
Gotten interesting now.
Oh, that was a direct hit. Oh.
Oh jeez.
Oh, did one of you crash?
No, he's stalling.
That was different. F was falling again.
Imagine you fight each other in the air.
They're betting on you, Kimmy. You better win. 10 meatballs.
That's a lot of meatballs.
That is a lot.
and meatballs. And meatballs.
So much pressure in these things.
You better win, Kimmy. I want my meatballs.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh, someone's charging up.
I forgot that was a thing.
How does one charge up though?
You hold down the buy attack.
Huh.
You get stalled. She was back. There's blood on her wings. There's blood on her wings. Can't touch. The Cyrtac is too dark.
Where is he? There he is.
Protect.
Oh no, who else is really injured? Me.
Is Cyrtac? I can't tell. Kimmy's the blue one.
No, I'm not. I'm the brown one.
Oh. Then Cyrtac's
Why
very
do I
injured.
keep stalling?
Because you go too. Oh, that was a butt shot.
You're a butt shot.
That was a foul. That was a butt shot.
A booty shot.
Oh, Alice, you missed.
Oh, shot to the face.
Shot to the heart and into the thoughts.
You're hitting almost every shot.
Kimmy's really good in the
Damn.
air. That's why I don't want to fight her. Kimmy's hacking.
Yeah, it's hacks.
I call hacks.
We got it on camera.
Where are you?
I'm cheating.
Okay.
I've also been barely using my stam this entire fight.
Nice.
I have 79% stam.
Yeah, I'm just a touch below you.
Oh my god. Shit, oh, that would have been the end of me.
Slammed into the rock. Oh. Die. Bye. I'm
Oh, is that a hit?
No.
Got this, Kimmy. Destroy him.
I get 10 meatballs on here. Come on.
Make it 11 and we'll have a deal.
Love meatballs.
That hurts. And
got
apparently I'm not regenerating bile for some reason.
Oh, that's a
Did you use it all?
glitch.
Did you use all of it?
Isn't it?
If you go down to 0, it takes some second longer to regenerate. Or it takes a little bit.
Yeah, I think Kimmy's probably gonna get me. Yep, nice shot.
Oh, damn. And
Kimmy win.
Would that get you to Kimmy?
Kimmy won.
It's a winner.
She won. Kimmy won.
yeah, it's due. It was just like, quick, somebody get the somebody get the banana.
What did they get you to, Kimmy?
I love it.
How low were you?
I got 250. Vixen, don't tell them my secret.
Nice.
With that one though, I do need to get stuff ready for bed.
They're all eating you. That's fine. That's fine.
I have to start working
It's kind of nice.
7 hours now.
That was funny, y'all.
Good job.
Good job, Fight Club.
Well done.
My
I don't know where you win,
phone.
but you win.
I'm really bad at on the ground combat, but I'm okay at. I can survive
I will survive.
flying fights.
You're good at playing fights.
Oh, my cat. She wants in. She wants in on my.
Enjoy everybody, I'll talk to people tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Everyone gets to eat Kimmy. That's nice.
Have a good day.